Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a newly built, never lived in property for sale. The floor space is 4,100 square feet and the lot size is almost half an acre. It is located in the lush hills of Forest Hills, Kingston, and St. Andrew. This standalone home hosts two ground floor bedrooms with primary and additional bedroom on the second floor, all with ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets. There is a large ground floor living area, apron sink in the kitchen, breakfast nook, formal dining and powder room. The second floor features a large bonus room, which can be used for a secondary entertainment room, work from home area, or playroom for kids. Additional helpers' quarters and bonus rooms can be used for an indoor gym or additional storage area. You also have lots of open areas for entertaining and parking. This is tranquility at its finest. 10 minutes away from the city, but far enough to experience serenity, peace, and pure bliss. Call today to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 105 million or US $665.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.